Yes.
So, where did we?
My name is Shadi.
Shadi Ahmed.
Okay, give an introduction. It will be my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Shadi Ahmed. I study in grade 7. I was born and brought up in Kupwara. My father is a policeman and my mom is a homemaker.
Okay.
I have two siblings, one brother and one sister. My aim in life is to become a space scientist because it gives me a spark whenever I try to learn something new about it. And I want to contribute something in this field.
Okay.
My weakness is that I get so serious about work in hand that sometimes it makes my family angry on me. And my strength is that I'm flexible and open for new challenges.
Okay. So, since you are participating in the ShemStar of the year, right? So, what are your priorities for it?
Very well.
Actually, I need to take that you are competing with 10 or 11 number of students. So, what actually you made your goal to be the winner?
My main motto is to do my best in this ShemStar so that I can be the ShemStar and compete with these. And if I will not be this year, then next year I can do more better.
Okay. So, hey, your good name is Shahdev. Shahdev Ahmed Bhatt. Okay. So, what is the word Ahmed denote in your surname?
It's basically it's my name. I don't have information about that, but it's what my parents use.
Okay. So, what does Bhatt relate in your name?
But according to history, but was the ruling class of India, and now when but it was known as but and when they converted into Muslims, and they are now known as Bhatt.
What? Okay. So, do you have any knowledge about Alia Bhatt?
Yes, she's an actress.
She's an actress. She's only an actress.
This is what information I got. She's an actress.
Okay. So, what is the thing that actually inspired you from her being an actor? She's an actress. Okay. What is the thing you must have heard about Alia Bhatt and that has actually inspired you? Did you got any inspiration from her?
No, not basically. I didn't got any inspiration from Alia, but she's a pretty good actor.
So you mentioned that you are interested about space and all that. You wanted to become the space scientist, right? Okay. Have you heard about the Elon Musk?
Yes.
Okay.
He's one of the richest person in the world.
Okay. Okay. What's his company's name?
Tesla.
Yes. It's for automobile, है ना? वो गाड़ियों के लिए. What about space?
Space, it's in Texas and it's known as Blue Origin. USA.
Okay.
Blue Origin.
Okay. Have you heard about this Falcon 9?
Falcon 9, no.
Okay. Okay. Achha, just tell me one thing. Have you heard about ISRO?
ISRO.
Okay. Could you please tell the full form of ISRO?
ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization.
Where is this headquarters?
It's Kolkata.
Kolkata or Bangalore?
Kolkata is also having the headquarters.
Achha. What are the recent programs that were taken by the ISRO?
It was Chandrayaan 3 mission that was sent to Moon for discovery.
Previous missions कौन से थे?
Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 1. These both missions failed, and there was one Mangal.
Was Chandrayaan first a failure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, it was. They sent it successfully, but what they wanted, they couldn't do that.
Okay. What about Chandrayaan 3?
Chandrayaan 3, it was successful. And they
Chandrayaan 2 or Chandrayaan 3?
Chandrayaan 2 was failure, and Chandrayaan 3 successful mission.
वो हो गया Chandrayaan 3 की अभी नहीं.
Yes, sir, that.
Okay.
And they also sent the first Mars orbiting mission that's also known as MOM. And
so what do you understand by astronomy?
Astronomy is the study of space basically. Universe and universe.
Space or celestial bodies?
Yeah, space. Space.
Space? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Which ancient book mentions about the astronomy?
Putali means book that he
I'm asking about Indian book.
Indian. I don't have any information.
Okay. Have you heard about the great Aryabhatta?
Yes.
Okay. What was his contribution towards this space science?
Space. I didn't have read about that, but I know that he contributed in mathematics that he found the number zero, the value of the.
Okay. हाँ अच्छा ये बता दीजिए what is the difference between a star and a planet because you're much interested towards space है ना celestial objects different
A planet is basically an object present in space which revolves around a star, and it gets its energy like light. It gets its energy from star, and the gravity of star keeps the planet in check to revolve around it and be in a particular plane. Like first there is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, orbit. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So they cannot intersect each other. Like Jupiter will come in Mars place. That cannot happen. It keeps it a particular uniform. Uniform, make it uniform. Rotate.
simple definition of a star could you
Star, star is basically a object, burning object with mostly made of atoms with having the molecules of hydrogen and helium.
okay
Which when these hydrogen helium combine, they emit light and energy.
where does the star get its energy from and में energy कहाँ से आती है
Star gets its energy. Star is basically originates from nebulae. Nebula is a gas cloud in space that originates a star. And when this star originates, it gets all its energy from nebula gas cloud. And it's mostly comprised of these hydrogen helium gas.
okay अच्छा tell me one more thing so you're more interested about this space scientist अच्छा space scientist बनने के बाद क्या करोगे
So I would
your contribution
I would contribute in this while doing research about astrobiology, like the extraterrestrial life of outer of Earth, and it's not discovered yet about the extraterrestrial life yet, but the rover has found microorganisms on Mars, and it's living inside the surface of Mars.
what are the missions that have been sent to Mars as of now हमारे यहाँ से कौन गया है
So
यूएई का कौन गया है and USA का कौन गया है
Mangalyaan 3 has went, and there's a rover named there's a rover of NASA there.
what was the name of that mission
I don't remember the name, but it was sent, and it's having 30 canisters of rocks samples that's containing microorganisms. And in 2028, there will be from European Space Center. There will be a rocket sent, lander sent to Mars, and they will carry the.
what is the difference between telescope and microscope
Telescope basically makes us see more different far places like stars, planets, and other things in space, outer and far distances.
so if you want to look या फिर अगर आप देखना चाहते हो celestial objects को at that point of time
We can use telescope and to see microorganisms which cannot be seen by naked eye.
Very
We
good.
can use microscope.
what are the qualities of Elon Musk that inspires you? If you have heard about him
The qualities of Elon Musk that I have heard that he's a professional businessman, and he's creative, he's an intelligent person, and he's a mastermind, and he uses his mind in developing new things.
okay
Let's come into a different thing. Have you heard about RBC?
The red blue.
Red blood cells. Okay. What are the main role of RBC?
RBC is basically transport substance like liquids, gases throughout the body.
Okay. RBC transport liquid.
Liquids and food with that. Food
Liquid
substance.
and food.
Food. And,
Have you heard about this word that when RBCs are immature, they have nuclear physics. And when they become mature, they lose this nucleus. Can you actually explain the statement why this happens?
we have not read this book.
Okay, no issue. So, can you actually tell me what do you mean by electromagnetic effect?
Electromagnetic effect means basically the magnetic effect created by current. It was accidentally discovered by and he was just he had rounded a coin around a metal, and there were some metal pieces. And when he passed the current, that created magnetic effect, and the iron thing got stick to the wire. Basically, it creates magnetic field.
So what is the application of it, electromagnetic effect?
It is basically used in bell, electromagnetic bell.
So can you tell me something about what's the difference between digital thermometer, 1 2D thermometer?
Yes, digital thermometer basically it does, a mercury thermometer contains mercury in it, and it's basically derived from silver line. It's having a silver line, and we can when we put in and to check the temperature of our body, it rises up, and when we put it, it rises up, and when you put it down in a cold thing, it down gets down.
Yes.
It goes down, but mostly when it's mostly does not. It is a high rate is when it's a higher temperature, and the lower it does not that it cannot bear that much coldness, and it gets blasted when you put in much cold substances. But alcoholic thermometer, it can bear to more than negative 70 degree, negative 72 degree Celsius. It can go, but to high it can reach only basically it can reach 84 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
And digital thermometer is basically an electrical appliance which is used to check thermometers of humans, basically, or which is nowadays used most.
Fine. What's the normal body temperature?
It's 32 degrees.
And what about Fahrenheit?
The Fahrenheit is 97, 97.3.
Okay. So, can you please tell me that why do we have fever? Is fever a good thing or a bad thing?
Fever is the rise of temperature in a human from normal temperature to high. Basically, it happens when sweating, the sweating glands don't sweat the most, and it's created by that. The heating pressure is created. Basically, when we heat up inside, we sweat, and when the sweating gland sometimes malfunction, it creates the heating pressure inside, and that's why that creates fever.
Oh, good. Well, it was a nice interaction with you. We hope, we wish that you will be the ShemStar of the year. But one thing I would actually advise you is that you are very good at speaking, fine. But the thing is that your facial expressions are not matching with your personality. The way you are actually very much eager to listen to the question and ask it, it must not be depicted. You must feel more comfortable. As of now, you are just able to answer everything, right? So the time when everybody is going to ask you a question, you just go and jump off from your seat like this way, and then you start going like this way, and this is the randomness of the personality. That should not be actually seen. Otherwise, it was a very nice conversation with you. Thank you so much.
For the-
Thank you.